Fuck that asshole.
Fatima Kashgari. I am an activist working on behalf of the Uyghur community in China. My community.
And what are the Uyghur, Fatima?
They are a Muslim minority in China.
And are they being detained in internment camps?
Yes. 1 million of us are being confined in what the Chinese term re-education camps.
And what does re-education refer to?
Changing our religious beliefs. We are ordered to sing hymns praising the Communist Party and write self-criticism essays.
Can't you object to this? Jesus, this has nothing to do with us.
We'll be overruled. It'll just make it worse.
When did you leave China, Fatima?
3 years ago. There was a crackdown. I heard about it in advance. I can't say from whom. You understand?
We do.
And I tried to warn others. I used Chamham to announce that the authorities were coming to arrest dissidents, religious activists. But Chamham was cooperating with the Chinese government.
We were cooperating.
What happened next?
My Chamham email messages were used to round up members of my family, my friends, my husband, 2 sisters, my brother are all in internment camps in Xinjiang.
The version of Chamham she's referring to was withdrawn from China, and any version we roll out there in the future would not be subject to such misuse. We've insisted upon it. Of course, like everyone else, we have to comply with the laws of the places we operate in.
And if those laws are discriminatory or oppressive?
Social media and internet connectivity help spread democracy. They help everywhere, but especially in places that don't have open societies. The thin end of the wedge is the end you put in first. That's how change starts.
Thank you.